Everybody, today we're going to review this air conditioner. I'm not really sure the brand of it, so, just let me know in the comments. This thing has been running since I moved here, and, working like a champ. I mean, it's good. I'm not really sure the brand, but it's working like a champ. And the other two air conditioners, they're GEs. So, this might be. So, yeah. I'm pretty much, this one is a GE. I don't know. It is a GE. So it is a GE. So yeah, it is a GE. So you don't have to comment me anymore. Because I know the brand. So, yeah. I'm gonna go to the other room, and I'm going to show you the other air conditioner. Okay, so we in the other room. This is the GE air conditioner. It's pretty much it's freezing cold. Like, it's good for summer. So, I guess a lot of guys out there has a GE air conditioner like this. I do. So, yeah. It's my mom's, by the way, so, yeah. This one's mom's, but the other one in there, into the room, is mine. Yeah, I don't hardly turn it on, so. Like myself, but, Mom turned it on for me. But we leave it on in the middle of summer. Alright guys, that's it.